Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched us with the troops. So we reached the settlements of the Juhayna tribe early in the morning. While I made an onslaught on a man, he uttered, "There is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu," but I slew him. Then I felt doubt about it. So I mentioned it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Did you kill him even after his pronouncing La ilaha illallah?" I submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he pronounced the article of faith fearing his death." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Why did not you split his heart in order to know whether he had uttered the article of faith from his heart or not?" Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam continued repeating this statement until I wished, due to regret, I would embrace Islam on that very day, so that the sin of killing that man might not be recorded in my deeds register. Hearing this hadith, Saad said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not fight against any Muslim until Hazrat Usama radiyallahu anhu fights against him." Hearing it, a man said, "Has not Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said in the Holy Quran, and fight against them until there is no mischief, and Allah's religion be widespread?" Surah Baqarah, verse 193. Saad whereupon replied, "We have fought in order to wipe out mischief, whereas you and your companions are fighting so as to diffuse mischief." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 273.